Welcome to Cardanit Tutorials. In this tutorial, we'll be looking at how to download your Cardanit projects and how to download images of diagrams. You can download projects to your device as a BPMN or DMN file. These files comply with the BPMN and DMN standards, so they're easy to move from one business process management software to another. You download files in the XML tab or from the toolbar in the Design tab. On the Design tab, you can also download an image of one or all of the diagrams in your project. You can also download images as a PDF or PNG file. Choose whether to show project information such as the diagram name, the author, and the date of download. Or add a watermark. Why not try it for yourself? If you haven't already signed up to Cardanit, click the link in the description and get started now.